Hi, my name is Portia Metris, and I'm the proud listing agent of this beautiful place here in downtown Carlsbad, where you have a 5-minute stroll to the beach, 2-minute stroll to the lagoon, park right here, and all the super cool fine restaurants. There is, every Wednesday they have the farmer's market. People love living here. Another cute little side story I'm just going to tell you really quickly. My owners here are second homeowners from Calgary. They've leased their a car for a year. They had a 7,500 mile allowance for their car rental. They only used it for 2,300 in the year because they love walking everywhere here. It's just a wonderful downtown community. Basically, this home is amazing, totally remodeled with brand new carpeting, new paint, new baseboards, new granite, new backsplashes. We're going to take a little tour through here. The community is really nice because it also has an exercise room, very private, lovely with all the gym equipment. The community room, it has the pool, jacuzzi, 2 parking spaces for this unit underground. This is a townhouse, no one is above or below you, beautiful townhome. And then you also have your big, huge private storage area locked where you can keep golf clubs, your bikes, walking, and everything else you want in there. So it's your own private area there. So it's really great. You're gonna love it, and I hope you get to see it very soon. You have a fabulous agent named Renee, and I'm very happy to help show it for you too if you need. Oh, it has air conditioning, only 21 units, and it's just a super great community. Okay. Any other questions right now that I can help answer for you, you think, Renee? Or
let's just, that it comes furnished.
Oh yes, that would be enough.
It comes
furnished.
Price, square footage, bedrooms,
yes,
comes
1,641 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Laundry on this level here, and just like I said, everything is basically brand new. New light fixtures, everything. And romantic fireplace.
Oh, so cozy.
Okay. It's very nice. Happy to show it to you anytime.
Okay.
Thank
you.